BSc Chemistry, Organic Chemistry, SEC second topic Fuel Chemistry, presented by B. Madhav Narayan. This is session 19 of Fuel Chemistry. Fuel chemistry is one of the parts of petrochemistry in which I discuss LPG and CNG. The contents of the today's topic: liquefied petroleum gas, composition of LPG, importance of LPG, advantages of LPG over gasoline as motor fuel, disadvantages of LPG over gasoline as motor fuel, compressed natural gas CNG, advantages of CNG, and at last disadvantages of CNG. Let us discuss first one, liquefied petroleum gas LPG. The full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Generally, L is spelled as liquefied but not liquid petroleum gas. Liquefied petroleum gas was first produced in 1910 by Dr. Walter Snelling, and the first commercial product appeared in 1912. LPG is obtained as a byproduct during the cracking of heavy oils. It is also obtained from natural gas. LPG is first dehydrated, desulfurized, and then traces of organic sulfides. Organic sulfides are called mercaptans. They are added to give warning of gas leak. LPG is a colorless gas and doesn't have any smell. When the leakage takes place from the cylinder, identification is very difficult. Therefore, organic sulfides are generally added. These organic sulfides are called mercaptans. When they are added, they give an odd smell or bad smell that shows warning of gas leak. It is supplied under pressure in containers under the trade name Indane, Bharat Gas, Hindustan Gas, etc. LPG has calorific value about 27,800 kilocalories per cubic meter. Now, let us study what is the composition of LPG. What are the components present in the LPG? LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, consists of hydrocarbons, mainly propane and butane, which are gases at atmospheric pressure but can be readily liquefied under pressure. LPG mainly contains paraffins. Long chain saturated hydrocarbons are called paraffins. It contains paraffins up to C4. In India, two graded LPG are supplied. The typical percentage composition according to the Hindustan Petroleum are given in this table. The first column constituent hydrocarbon, the second column for household purpose, and third column representing in bulk. The various components present in LPG include N-butane. For household purpose, it is 27.2%, whereas in bulk, it is 68.9%. Isobutane 21.7%, and in bulk it is 18.3%. Butylene 42.8% and 1.2% in bulk. Propylene or propene 2.5% for household purpose and nothing or nil in bulk. Propane is found to the extent of 2.8, in bulk 11.5, whereas ethane found to be the extent of 0.1% in bulk. What are the importance of LPG? The importance is the largest use of LPG as a domestic fuel and industrial fuel along with a motor fuel. It is increasingly used as an aerosol propellant and a refrigerant, replacing chlorofluorocarbons in an effort to reduce damage to the ozone layer. You all know that chlorofluorocarbons causes damage to the ozone layer. Therefore, chlorofluorocarbons are replaced by aerosol propellant. Advantages of LPG over gaseous fuel. The various advantages are high efficiency and heating rate. LPG has calorific value greater than natural gas and coal gas. Well designed, durable and neatly constructed stove burner ensure complete combustion with no smoke. Easy portability and easy maintenance. Comparatively less health hazard since it contains no carbon monoxide. LPG does not contain carbon monoxide, therefore hazards are very less. However, fire hazards are as great as with any other gaseous fuel. Advantages of LPG over gasoline as a motor fuel. It has been observed that there is an increased trend to use LPG as a motor fuel. The reason are cheaper than gasoline, better mixing with air and clean burning. Burning of fuel is very important, otherwise it produces more amount of carbon monoxide. It's a poisonous gas. Third one is highly knock resistant, and fourth one is increased engine life. Besides advantages, there are some disadvantages of LPG over gasoline as a motor fuel. Leakage of LPG cannot be detected because of the faint odor. Second one, handling has to be done under pressure. 3. Octane number is very low. And fourth one is poor blending response. So LPG and gasoline has advantages as well as a few disadvantages. After LNG, let us move on to next gas, the important one, CNG gas. CNG, its full form is C for compressed, N for natural, G for gas, that is compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas is a natural gas compressed to a high pressure of about 1000 atmospheres. It is mainly comprises of methane and small quantities of ethane, propane and butane. Natural gas, which is a mixture of methane, ethane, propane, butane with carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc., is the most important fuel. The gas stream is typically separated into the liquefied petroleum fractions, which can be stored in liquid form at relatively low pressure and the lighter ethane and methane fractions. These lighter fractions of methane and ethane are then liquefied by compression to get CNG. Advantages of CNG, compressed natural gas. CNG is used as domestic and industrial fuel. Environmental friendly, a clean fuel and economic and cheaper than petrol and LPG. Compressed natural gas is a fuel that can be used in place of gasoline, diesel, fuel and liquefied petroleum gas. CNG combustion produces fewer undesirable gases than the aforementioned fuels. In comparison to other fuels, natural gas possesses less of the threat in the event of a spill because it is lighter than air and disperses quickly when released. That means its density is less than air, therefore it is lighter, hence immediately disperses. CNG is used in traditional gasoline or internal combustion engine automobiles that have been modified or in vehicle specifically manufactured for CNG use. CNG costs about 50% less than gasoline and emits up to 90% fewer emissions than gasoline. CNG locomotives are operated by several railroads. Natural gas vehicles have lower maintenance cost than other hydrocarbon fuel power vehicles. CNG fuel systems are sealed, preventing fuel losses from the spills or evaporation. The increased life of lubricating oils as CNG does not contaminate and dilute the crack case oil. Being a gaseous fuel, CNG mixes easily and evenly in air. CNG is less likely to ignite on hot surfaces since it has a high auto ignition temperature, that is 540 degrees centigrade, and a narrow range 5 to 15% of flammability. CNG powered vehicles are considered to be safer than gasoline powered vehicles, less pollution and more efficiency. CNG operated vehicles do not emit unregulated pollutants. It is found to be eco friendly. Besides advantage, even CNG has some disadvantages. Now let us discuss what are the disadvantages of CNG. Compressed natural gas vehicles require a greater amount of space for fuel storage than convenient gasoline powered vehicles. Second, leakage of unburned methane as a natural gas is a significant issue because methane, the primary component of the natural gas, is a powerful short-lived greenhouse gas. It is 100 times more potent at trapping energy than carbon dioxide. The CNG cylinder can be heavy. The added weight of the tank is offset by the reduced weight of the gasoline fuel. CNG powered vehicles has less fuel efficiency, whereas CNG vehicles must visit refilling stations during the long travel. References. For more information, you can refer the followings. 1. The book P.C. Jain and Jain, Engineering Chemistry, Dhanpat Rai and Sons, New Delhi. Second one, Britannica.com. You can also refer Wikipedia or ScienceDirect.com.